This morning, I'm on my way to get the Virginia safety inspection on the Model X. We'll see what happens. The inspection went well. It was the first time that Arlington Auto Repair had ever done a Tesla. So they had me show them the lift points and set the suspension to the right heights and help them with doing the turning the lights on and off, because everything on this car is so automated. So it made it a little bit more difficult for him to do his stuff, but he was very appreciative that I knew the vehicle and was able to help him out. He did turn away the only other Tesla that came there before because the guy didn't know enough about the car to know where to lift it or how to do the lights or any of the basic stuff that you should. The lift points maybe you might not know as a regular owner, but you should know how to turn on and off your lights, how to turn on and off the emergency brake, that sort of thing. And so I think they did a great job. I mean, yes, you can use Tesla to do it, but when I took it to Tesla for my other service, the guy who does the inspections left for the day before they gave my car to him, so it was just kind of sitting in his bay. And the weekend came up, so it was time to give me back my car. And they charged me the same $20 that Tesla would have charged. And you know, it's just a little bit out of my way, no big deal. But 15 minutes, 20 minutes from home, and I liked it. So if you need an inspection, just be sure you know how to set your vehicle into jack mode, know where your jack points are if you have air suspension, and give Arlington Automotive Repair, give them a shot. Or if you're in for Tesla, you know, just make sure that they actually get your car into the bay in time. So that was my adventures of getting the car inspected. Catch you on the flip side.